When I think of F.A.C.T. and one of the amazing ways in which I see it work and be effective is on issues that really seem to be quite loaded, and yet it provides this invitation to face into even the things about ourselves that we struggle, that we don't want to face, but yet know if we do, we're going to come out different people on the other side. The current situation right now within our world and within our nation, I would say within the city I live in Kansas City, is facing into the racist culture that exists, the white body supremacy culture that has existed for a long time. I know when I raise this with individuals, they get very protective, they get very defensive. I'm not a member of the Klan. I don't make vulgar comments. I do support Black Lives Matter. But what we are aware of and what our siblings, our BIPOC, our Black, Indigenous, persons of color, our Black women and girls continue to remind us is, as white people, it's only as we're able to look at this ourselves and do this work can we be a part of the change that happens. So I have been playing with this presbytery here in Heartland to invite them to use F.A.C.T. on how we approach our own white body supremacy. So I use the phrase of, I am a racist. I placed it at some point in the room and invited others to do so as well. We're doing this all by Zoom, so they're doing it in their own location. But as we look at F and facing into all the ways that I've chosen not to face into, not to be aware, the ways that I have defended and provided information that, well, I'm not an overt racist because I'm a progressive. I don't use racial slurs. But all of those are ways that I'm not facing into. So to play with that, to turn away, to face into, I am a racist, to turn away, to turn back, I am a racist. But I have friends who are persons of color. Turn away, I'm not facing, to face back into, I am a racist. In doing so, then becomes the A, which is the accepting or acknowledging. And the acknowledging is, to me, making it a matter of fact. I use that term to make it a matter of fact. It releases the opportunity to make it escalated in emotionality, but to really recognize, wow, I am a racist. Today is Wednesday, and I am a racist. Today is Wednesday, and I am a racist. It's as easy as doing this back and forth to recognize I live in Armour Hills in Kansas City, and I am a racist. To recognize these pieces are matters of fact. They're not judgments against us as whole people. They are the reality of what it is to grow in the society, to grow up with a white body, which then empowers a white body supremacy. The C is getting up and moving around. It's engaging ourselves. I'm not going to do it on this video because then I would be out of the video, but engaging, what are my choices? What is it that I really want hearing that? And I know what pops for me just in this moment, I'm a racist, is, wow, I want to learn more. I want to have my eyes open more and more of how the water I swim in, I'm not as aware of the impact it has on so many people I care about. So that's my C. I really want connection. And I want to remove the things that cause disconnection. And the T, take action. I plan to participate in a few different intensive courses that are on long periods of time because I recognize this is a journey. But a simple action I can do is register for one today. So friends, F.A.C.T. can be something that in our souls we feel so desperate that would be the worst thing said about us. But it's a great invitation because in doing so, we're actually able to face what is. And we're actually able to move through the paralysis of whatever it was that was stopping us, and to take action, to change, to become more and more amazing individuals and humans on this planet. So F.A.C.T works.